Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix the can't use this folder error on Windows. So if you're trying to access a folder and Windows is not allowing you, you can follow up the solutions to get access again. So you can check the folder permissions. Let me just show you one of the folders. So let's say this is the folder available. So you can right click on the folder and go over the properties option and click on it. And once you go and click on properties, you can go over to security tab. After you reach over the security tab, you can check if your account has full control. If not, you can click on edit. And from edit, you'll be finding your permissions for your new folder. You may just go ahead and look out for this option of allowing. You can check for your user and click on allow for all. Once that is done, you can click on apply and then click on OK and close this up. Another thing is you can take the ownership of the folder. So for that, again, you can right click on the folder and go over and find properties option again. And from properties, go over to security again and go over to the advanced tab. After you go over to advanced, you can just go over to the owners option. Like if you have the access or not and everything, check it out. And from there, you can add, remove, or view the ownership and everything. And you can check your username and OK and click on apply. And that lets you take your account's full control of the folder. And also check if the folder is read only or hidden. For that, again, find the folder, right click on it, go over to properties. Once you head over to properties, go over to read only, this one right here. If this is on or not, make sure this read only is hidden and unchecked, and click on apply and click on OK. Apart from that, what you can do is you can just go ahead and check for antivirus security software. You can go over and disable any kind of antivirus block that is blocking access to certain folders. And that's it. That is for today's guide. By following up those steps, you should be able to fix the can't use this folder error on your Windows and regain the access. So make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more easy fixes.